What is going on, guys? KV 7.5 here with my first tutorial. I am actually making this tutorial because I just finished having issues with my PS4 Pro audio coming out my TV, meaning my audio comes out my headphones but it does not come out my TV or my OBS. I have Elgato all set up for streaming and no audio. So I looked up almost every YouTube video that I could find. They all say the same thing. So basically I'll show you this. This is the fixes they're saying. They're saying to go into your settings, devices, check your audio devices. Mine's is about the same right there. Then go to sound and screen, go to audio. Mine's is fine per the video. So I'm like, what is wrong? So I decided to troubleshoot it, right? So I actually hooked up my PS4 to another TV. I changed the HDMI cables. Still, nothing would work. So at this point, I'm really frustrated and I'm just trying everything I can try. So this is what happened and this is how I managed to fix the problem. So I went into my OBS. Now, you know, you add a video source and you can add your PlayStation 4. So all I did was click the settings on the PlayStation 4. I went to properties. Now at that point, I had this option here on game capture HD 60s video. That is my capture, my Elgato. So I had it on that option because I was told that is the best option. So all I did was change it from that option to Elgato Game Capture HD. It went blank for a second. Then it came back. Audio. Also, I'll put it up. It might echo a little bit, but I have the audio on my TV as well. I don't know why that fixed the problem, but it did. So if this video has helped you, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more how-to tutorials. I will be making a playlist with all my how-tos. Thank you and have a great day.